Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy M14. And to do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, find Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it, and now we can customize it. So choose your different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization. Here switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Last step is to click on start browsing and open any website. As you can see, browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.